Hello guys, today I want to share some tips on how to properly do a demo. Now, from my experience, there are two kinds of potential employers. Those who will tell you what they want you to do or they want you to teach during your demo class, and those who will ask you to prepare a lesson, choose whatever you want, and come and teach. To properly teach kids, you have to be a clown, be silly, be as playful as much as you can, and you have to always wear a smile. As you know, demos in the kindergarten are usually for kids between the age of 2 and 4 years old, and most of them are always super shy. Before your demo class, make sure you practice it as many times as you can. Have an exact play of your class in your mind, how you want it to be, so you can swiftly move from one demonstration to the other. This would help you allocate time for each activity or game you have planned. Most demos last for about 25 minutes. Make sure everything you need is available and handy or can easily be reached without unnecessary movements. Now to start, call the attention of the class by blowing a whistle, ringing a bell, or banging a gong. Introduce yourself and thank the parents for coming. Don't forget to tell the parents that as kids get to know their teachers, they will join gradually. So they shouldn't expect much participation from them. Also, parents should not expect the kids to be all attentive. If the kids are uncomfortable and cry, their parents should discreetly take them out and bring them back when they are calm. Choose a suitable song, especially a song that is full of action, verbs. Dance and sing as it plays. Encourage everyone to be on their feet and move as you move. It would be nice if the song is directly related to the vocabulary you are teaching. You want to grab these kids' attention and get them to participate in the class as much as they can. Now teach the class how to say, I'm fine, thank you. Here you model TPRs for these sentences. Now ask the class to say, I am fine, thanks when you ask them, how are you? Wear a puppet animal on your hand. Open and close its mouth as you change your voice and encourage them to change their voices too. You can start with a normal voice to whispering to a very low voice and then a high voice. Take a softball, roll it to a parent and say, hello, how are you? They roll the ball back to you saying, I'm fine, thanks. Try to pick parents who can speak, and if a parent is shy, just encourage all the parents to say the sentence. Some parents might be scared to embarrass themselves. Now, depending on the vocabulary you are teaching, say you're teaching something like fruit, colors, animals, you will be teaching three vocabulary and some simple sentences or sentence structures. Whatever vocabulary you choose, model a TPR for each. Act these vocabulary out as you say the words. Encourage the kids to act with you and say these vocabulary. For example, lion, elephant, monkey, or apple, banana, orange, or green, yellow, blue. You can also play the mystery box, asking parents to come up with their kids. Put a probe in a box. Be it an animal or a fruit, let the kid and the parent feel it and guess. Ask them the question, what is it? And encourage them to respond with it's an, it's a. You can even put more things on the subject you are teaching that you think are easy to identify. Always make sure to pull out the item and name it. Use the structure you are teaching by drawing some circles on the floor. Place the flashcards of the vocabulary you are teaching and call parents up with their kids, a pair at a time. Have them jump from one flashcard to the other, naming them. Encourage the class to ask the participating teams the question, what is it? They say it's an or it's a, blah, blah, blah. as they jump from one card to the other. Or you can write each word in the circle and put the card at the end of the sentence. It's a lion, or it is a lion, with each vocabulary written in the circle. You can also just pass one card around at a time and encourage the kids and parents to hit and say, it's a, it's in. Play an action goodbye song, dance and sing as you did with the warm-up song. Lastly, tell the parents how to sign up and answer any questions they have for you, or refer them to appropriate quarters. Say bye to the kids.